Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily import products from Amazon to your Shopify store. First things first, we have to log in into our admin account at shopify.com. Once we do that, what we have to do is go to settings, which is on the bottom left part of your screen, and then click on apps and sales channels. We're gonna click there, and top right corner we have this green pretty nice little button, Shopify App Store, and we're gonna click there. On search engine on top of your screen, you're gonna write down Amazon. We hit enter, and we want to go by Amazon by Codisto. We add the app, and then add a sales channel. Right now we have to wait for a few seconds till it all boots up. And I just installed the app, as you can see, Amazon by Codisto. And all you have to do now is to sign up to your Amazon account, and easily you'll be able to transfer the products. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.